Friday and we are just starting our next DIY project, which is this chandelier right here. We have been waiting for everything to come in and it's finally come in. We got this idea from someone on Instagram and we will put her name on the link below. All right guys, so this is 17 inches. We actually got this from IKEA. This is what it's called, Ringsta. And then we've also bought this from IKEA. It attaches so then I can be able to hang it up. We bought them in black. We actually bought two just in case we mess up. We have more. Then we bought this hoop. This is 23 inches from Hobby Lobby. This is what we were waiting for. It finally came today. And yeah, the rest, my husband has the sticks to be able to attach the two. But we will show you exactly what we're gonna be doing right now.
I have a 23-inch loop right here. According to the directions, I'm gonna cut this in half and we have to work with 3/4 of an inch. I'm gonna cut mine 3/8 to give me the exact middle point that I want to make my cut. I have a fence here, my homemade fence, bootleg, made by me. I'm gonna get this, get it done right. Till then, I'm gonna buy another fence tonight. All right. No power.
Always does that. Oh my gosh, you open.
Next up.
Let me see.
Here we go. Now I got my hula hoops.
You better stop. Come on, let's
Switch
go.
your leg.
Let's go.
Little sin never hurt nobody. Get this in real quick here. Whoa! Put me an edge on that, baby. Whoa. Let me flip this over.
Go ahead, baby. Got him cut before the sun goes down. Go ahead, baby. Go, go, go. You got this. Come on. I'm your encourager. Hurry up. Come on, baby. This is the funniest thing. We went from not having a dining room table to having a dining room table with no chairs to now it being our workstation. Yes, we are. We guess it done. I can't wait to be able to have a light there.
Yeah, it's gonna look nice once it's finished.
All right, so my husband is following the instructions from grit to girl. I mean, grit to pearl.
Pearl grit pearl.
Oh my gosh. We literally bought everything she bought. Make sure that the measurements and everything were the same.
So we were supposed to go out to dinner tonight and that's not gonna work.
Why not? We can do this when we come back from dinner. Dang, shout out to my husband's hands. Let me see. We were running out. We were running out of time. We were recording a DIY project, guys, and
Look.
We had no time. We literally had a reservation at 7:45. We started getting dressed at 7:15.
I am on time. I am on time this evening.
You was not gonna miss this food, huh?
Date night.
Oh my god, it's so funny.
This bump.
Guys, so we are driving back from the restaurant. My husband is tired. He's saying that he's relaxed.
I'm relaxed. That's it.
He was closing his eyes while driving. Awesome. Yeah, we're ready to go home and we are gonna start the project again. We have some painting. We have some painting to do. And excited just to get this project done, right, honey? It says it takes about an hour, so let's see. Good morning, beautiful people. It is currently 7:25 in the morning and I am exhausted, but we're up. How are you doing, baby?
I'm up.
My husband said he couldn't sleep last night because I kept kicking him.
I had to go, you know what? You gotta go to the next room. Yeah, that kind of night.
You liar. It was that bad?
No, wives really know what they're doing when they're sleeping. Let me tell you.
He said I was doing it on purpose.
Kicking me out last night. Get out of here.
Anyways, let me show you guys where we ended. So we're currently painting these slats. He sanded them down a little bit. because we're not using a roller, we're using the brush, so sometimes it leaves marks, so he just sanded them down and just now retouching. We painted these black, which you guys will see what we're gonna use them for. Obviously that's white, and here are some more slats that we're just waiting for them to dry, so then we can finish painting the rest of them. So stay tuned.
So here we are dry fitting, making sure all measurements are correct. I had to take myself a seat here. This turned out to be a little bit more annoying. The glue is not setting, and every time you try to move it, try to attach another, it's just so much time it takes for the glue to set. So what I'm doing is I'm putting tape on each seam where the glue is, and it's giving it time for me to work with it while at the same time it's drying. So it seems to be working.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
what's gonna happen right now, baby?
We put on the last slat, babe. That's it.
That's it, guys. That's it.
Done. Done, babe.
We've officially done?
Yep.
All right, guys. So now my husband is done putting everything together, and he's about to install the light.
Getting ready to install this cord right here to hang up the light. Let's get this started. There you have it, the DIY Scandi Chandelier. I hope you enjoyed the video. We got lots more DIY coming your way. See you next time.